Hello everyone, I'm engineer Frank. We have some new design laser cleaning machine. Let's see the operation. Come. Here, you can connect to the power. Now another solution, we have battery here. When we have battery, we can power on with the key. Now it's power on. Here we will get the laser. Also you can connect to your phone. We can choose the parameters. For example, the laser power, frequency, and the width we can choose from here. Also we can choose different cleaning model. 10 kinds of cleaning models. For example, we choose this one. Now let's test on the wood. Second on the metal. Now on the curtain box. No any damage. Okay, if you have any questions, contact me. Thank you.